Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about Mahashivratri, remedies related to the wish fulfillment on this day, as this is a most powerful day of the year. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you're getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So Mahashivratri is the most powerful day of the year. Any wish asked on this day will get fulfilled if you're asking with the right intentions and you're following all the right step as written in Shiv Puran. So if you're looking to attract the right partner, you're single or you're already in the relationship and you want to get married to that person, then this day is the best day to do the remedy. How you have to start your day? You have to wake up early in the morning, add Ganga Jal in your bathing water, wear red, yellow, or white color clothes on this day. So, first thing, you have to set an intention that I am doing the fasting on this day, and this is my intention of doing the fasting. You have to be very specific on this day why you are doing the fasting, like you want to attract a right partner or you want to get married to the person whom you are already in relationship with. After setting an intention, you have to start doing the fasting. Try to do fasting. If you can do fasting, nirjala fasting. Nirjala means you should avoid taking water and food on this day. That is the best way you can do the fasting. So fasting need to be done from the sunrise, starting from the sunrise on 15th of February till next sunrise on 16th of February. The fasting need to be done. So you can do it on Nirjala fasting. That will be great. It will help you to overcome your past life karmic blockages, as well as you will end up attracting the right partner and all your wishes will come true. For any reason, if you are not able to do on Nirjala fasting, then you can do it while eating fruits too. Then start your day while offering water to Lord Shiva. In any case, if you are not able to offer water to Lord Shiva, you are not in India, and you are at such a place that you don't have idol of Lord Shiva, or there is no nearby temple. In that case, you can visualize also. Visualize that you are offering water to Lord Shiva. The result will be the similar one. So you have to start your day like this. Make sure on this day you are doing no gossiping, no lie, no manipulation. Try to purify your soul, and throughout the day, keep on chanting Namah Shivaya. So, Namah Shivaya is a very powerful mantra. If you chant Namah Shivaya on this day with a clear intention of attracting the right partner throughout the day on 15th February and throughout the night, then all your wishes will come true. So, keep on chanting Namah Shivaya, or you can put it on speaker Namah Shivaya and keep on listening Namah Shivaya, or you can meditate on Namah Shivaya. This is how you have to plan your day. Along with this, if possible, then try to bring Bel Patra. If you can offer 100 Bel Patra to Lord Shiva on this day, then all your wishes will come true if it is possible. So what do you need to do? You need to bring a Bel Patra, and you have to write Ram on the Bel Patra with Chandan, and then offer the same to Lord Shiva. In any case you are not able to find 100 Bel Patra, so you can offer one Bel Patra to Lord Shiva, write Ram on it with Chandan. On all the three leaves, you have to write Ram on it and offer the same to Lord Shiva. And again, 108 times you have to offer while chanting the mantra Namah Shivaya, and clear with your intention what you want from Lord Shiva on this day. Night of Mahashivratri are very important. So, if you are looking to attract the right partner, throughout the night, or if not possible throughout the night, for at least 1, 2, or 3 hours, chant Namah Shivaya, meditate on Namah Shivaya, do Shiva meditation. Shiva meditation link has already been shared in the description, and keep on visualizing that 2026 you have already attracted the right partner, you're already married, and everything is working well in your life. Energies will be so high, so powerful. You will be able to easily meditate, you will be able to easily visualize. Set your clear intention. If you are single and attracting the right partner, wearing Gauri Shankar Rudraksha on this day has a tremendous benefit. Gauri Shankar Rudraksha is connected to marriage. If you're looking to attract the right partner, if you have some karmic blockages in your birth chart, then make sure on this day you're wearing the Gauri Shankar Rudraksha with the right intention, with the blessings of Lord Shiva. In 2026, you will end up attracting the right partner. Namah Shivaya. So now let's understand what all remedies you have to do on this day to attract wealth, prosperity, career success, and overall abundance in the life. So if you're looking to attract the wealth and the prosperity, you have to start your day early in the morning, and you have to add the Ganga Jal in the bathing water. Along with this, you have to wear the white color clothes on this day, and you have to do the fasting. While do the fasting, you have to clear set your intention. You have to set the clear intention with God, Lord Shiva, that this is I'm doing the fasting because I want to attract more money, abundance, prosperity, career success in my life, and start doing the fasting. You can do the fasting on fruits, or you can do the fasting on the water. Throughout the day, try to keep on chanting Namah Shivaya, and with a clear intention that you want to attract money and the prosperity in your life. Very important remedy that you need to do on 15th of February if you're looking to attract money, prosperity, and the career success. Then on 15th of February, after the sunset, you have to light up a ghee lamp. That should be akhand ghee throughout the night till sunrise on 16th of February. You have to light up a akhand diya. Set in clear intention, universe, Lord Shiva, I want to attract more prosperity, money, and overall abundance in your life. Throughout the night, if you're chanting Namah Shivaya or you're meditating on Namah Shivaya, try to try to be awake throughout the night and keep on chanting Namah Shivaya. Energies will be so high that all your wishes will come true, because the nights of Mahashivratri are very important. If you're chanting Namah Shivaya throughout the night on Mahashivratri night, then all your wishes will come true related to the money. On the next day after the sunset, try to donate bananas, apple, anar, as well as chane ki dal to the needy. So if you're doing this, then with the blessings of Lord Shiva, all your wishes will come true on this day. To attract, to overall come the overall to overall remove the blockages and the obstacles from your life connected to the money, finances, and the career, to make sure that on this day you're wearing the seven mukhi rudraksha. Seven mukhi rudraksha is connected to goddess Lakshmi. If you're wearing seven mukhi rudraksha on this day, then with the blessings of Lord Shiva, you will never ever face scarcity of money in your life, and you are going to see the career success and money wise success too. If you're facing health related problem, then on this day on Mahashivratri, try to do fasting. You can do fasting on fruits. If you can't do fasting, then you can take a sankalp, like try to avoid eating onion, rice, grains on this day. Throughout the day, keep on chanting Sam Sadashiv, keep on chanting throughout the day. On this day, you have to offer water to Lord Shiva. Along with this, you have to add black till in it. And next day on 16th of February, after the sunset, after the sunrise, you have to donate urd ki dal to the needy along with the rice. This will help you out to overcome the health related problem. So this is that you have to do on this day. Energies will be very high. It is a very powerful day. If you have any specific wish, then you have to make sure you are chanting Namah Shivaya, you are meditating Namah Shivaya, or you are listening Namah Shivaya throughout the day and night. But if you have no specific wish, you just doing fasting just to pay gratitude without any wish, then you have to chant Om Namah Shivaya. So this you have to take care of. Any other question you have related to Mahashivratri, then you can ask me on the comment.